All right, number 4, all done and complete. My Pimp Daddy El Dorado. Painted her Spectre Flame root beer. And of course, with the black top on it. All nice and polished up. New wheels to add to my collection of Sweet 16s over here that I've been restoring. There's a few others in there that are not restored and they're not Sweet 16s, but that's a different story. So I'm gonna post this up as a short and start on one of these other ones over here. I think I might do the Corvette next. But anyway, I'll make a full video on the next one. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you would. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.